Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Sonata headlight. First, you'll need to gather a few basic tools, including a 10mm socket wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have the correct replacement bulb for your specific model. Always work on a level surface with the engine off and cool to ensure safety. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the mechanic. Now, let's get to the headlight assembly. You'll find three 10mm bolts holding it in place. Carefully remove these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This action will give you enough space to reach the back of the unit where the bulbs are located. Remember to be gentle to avoid damaging any components. With the assembly accessible, it's time to remove the old bulb. Twist the bulb's base counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn, then pull it straight out. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its plastic base to prevent oils from your skin from damaging the glass. Insert the new bulb, twist it clockwise to lock it, and reconnect the electrical connector. Finally, carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its original position, making sure it aligns perfectly. Reinstall the three 10mm bolts, tightening them until snug, but avoid over-tightening. Before you finish, turn on your car and test the new headlight to ensure it's working properly. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.